Hi everybody, this is BT with FXLiveDayTrading.com, and I just wanted to go over today's US trading session. It's the 6th of June 2012, and we had the ECB rate decision. I have up here, by the way, the Euro Yen chart. We had the ECB decision, and regardless of the pressures and hopes, the ECB did indeed keep the interest rate on hold in its June meeting. The only action that was taken by the central bank was to extend some of its liquidity providing operations. All right. Mario Draghi, who's the ECB head, also mentioned that inflation would stay above 2% in 2012, and then it should decrease below this level. So he mentioned, and I quote, the inflation expectations continue to be firmly anchored. Now, with some comments that he made, which was the press conference, the euro did start to rally. Alright, why don't we go ahead and talk about a trade that we took in the room. Now, we shorted the euro yen at a 98.90 break. That was our key break level that we mapped out in the trading room. We actually did extensive research on this the day before, and I mentioned several key levels that we would look for the following day. So 98.90, we place a short, and the stop was at 99.10. Alright, on the euro yen. Now, what we had as a target was 98.55. Okay, and there was an option that if you wanted to hold half and move the stop to break even, you can do so. Now, I didn't choose to keep half and move the stop to break even. I just had my target at 98.55 and my trade was taken out. But just take a look here, alright, at the risk reward, which is 2 to 1. Not bad. Alright, so basically this means that with the stop that we had, okay, the reward was 2 times our stop. Alright. So I'm not going to go really in depth with this trade, other than the fact that we had certain key levels we broke there. We had a tight stop, and the reward ratio was indeed effective, and it took us out at 98.55. I just want to touch base even more so on the fact that during these press conference meetings, all right, many would have thought that the fact that the interest rates were not decreased, lowered, that in fact the euro would rally. Well, it was indeed the opposite. Okay, we moved down, and then the buying came in. And since the press conference, which we had a low probably about 98.25, we've moved up, which we are right here, as you can see, 99.33 at 1:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in New York. So one thing we can gather from this announcement is just because news comes out, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's a guarantee in any way. I mean, nothing's a guarantee in trading. But there's no guarantees just because interest rates are lowered or staying the same, or risen, that right away you are going to see that move. Oftentimes you see the move in the opposite direction, and then you see the real move later. So at any rate, I'm going to leave it as this. We had 2 other trades, so we had 1 losing trade, 2 winning trades, and we ended the day with a plus 34 pips. Everybody have a great day, and if you'd like more information regarding our training services, just go to FXLiveDayTrading.com. Have a good one.